Good morning, everyone. I'm Nemel V. Bagalanon.
I'm James Gerardis Castil.
This is Intri Vitellius. Today, we'll be talking about globalization and impact on seafaring.
Yes, and we will share not just definitions but also how it connects to our future careers as seafarers.
To start, globalization is a simply means that increasing connection and interaction of countries through trade, communication, and culture.
Exactly. It makes the world more interconnected. What happens in one part of the world can affect us at sea or even here in the Philippines.
Now, why is it important to examine globalization today? Well, because it changes so quickly, its effects on trade, technology, and even the environment shape the maritime industry every day.
Right. And for seafarers, understanding globalization is key to adapting and thriving at sea. Let's look at some aspects.
First, global trade. Almost 90% of world trade is carried by ships. This means shipping routes are the backbone of globalization, and seafarers like us play a direct role in keeping goods moving.
For example, when the Suez Canal was blocked in 2021, it disrupted global supply chains. That shows how interconnected trade and how seafarers are the center of it. Another important aspect is international maritime labor standards. This ensures fair treatment, safety, and proper working conditions for seafarers worldwide.
Yes, organizations like the International Labor Organization, the ILO, set this standard so even if we work in international waters, our rights as workers are protected. Third, cultural diversity. On board, we'll work with crew members from different nationalities, language, and tradition.
That's true. For example, meals, holidays, or even communication styles can vary. As seafarers, we need to respect and adapt to different cultures to maintain harmony and teamwork. Technology is also a huge part of globalization. Navigation systems, satellite communication, and digital charts make shipping safer and faster.
But this also means we as our future seafarers must keep upgrading our skills to handle advanced equipment, stay competitive. Lastly, globalization also brings challenges like climate change and marine pollution. Shipping companies now is adopted greener practices to meet international environmental standards.
That's right. As future seafarers, we'll need to follow stricter rules to reduce emission and protect marine ecosystem. For me, globalization will help me grow as a professional because I'll be exposed to different people and technologies. As a seafarer, I must adapt quickly to diverse culture and new system on board.
And for me, globalization means more opportunities to work worldwide, but it also means more competition. I need to continuously learn and improve so I can succeed in an international environment. To summarize, globalization affects seafaring through global trade, labor standards, cultural diversity, technology, and environmental issues.
It brings both opportunities and challenges. For Filipino seafarers, globalization opens doors to international careers, but also demands adaptability, continuous learning, and resilience. And that's why understanding globalization is essential for our future seafarers. Thanks for listening.